Hello and welcome to this guided meditation called Enjoy Life More, Channel Divine Love. In this guided meditation, you will learn how to open your heart and begin channeling divine love into the world. Love energy is totally transformative, so you can improve situations in your life with other people, places, or things. This is great for relationships that are having a difficult time. Just put love on those situations and watch them transform and evolve into something more positive. In this guided meditation, first we will work with our human hearts, opening our hearts wider. And then we're going to go deeper and open our deeper heart to reveal our divine love channel. Then, using the divine love coming through our channel, we will imagine the situation that we would like to improve and begin filling it and surrounding it with divine love so that we can watch it shift and change into something more positive. Let's go into the meditation now. Begin to take some deep breaths and connect with your body. Bringing yourself into a relaxed and calm state. And beginning now to take some deeper breaths into the center of your chest. Focusing your attention on your heart chakra. Begin thinking of people, places, and things that make you feel joyful and happy, that help you to experience love in your life. This could be related to what you feel grateful for, which could even be the gentle breeze of nature or a sunset, friends, family, pets. As you begin thinking of these beautiful things in your life, notice how your heart begins to relax and naturally open. Next, begin to think about your concept of the divine. You may think of this as Creator, Mother, Father, God, or even divine love. And call that divine energy in now. Imagine that energy is arriving in your heart space. Ask this divine energy to open its heart inside your heart. Feel a further relaxing and deepening happening in your heart now. Imagine that the divine is opening a pathway all the way into the very back of your heart where your soul lives. And the divine is opening the channel from your soul self into a clear and open channel all the way through to the front of your chakra, and allowing that divine love to begin pouring from your soul self, crossing through the human part of your heart, through the front of your heart, out into the world. Next, imagine the situation that you want to change and evolve, that you'd like to bring into a higher vibration with more peace, clarity, grace, harmony, and an overall positivity. Imagine that situation in front of you now. And begin to imagine that there is a bubble around that situation. Everything related to that situation is in the bubble. And now begin channeling love from the back of your heart with the assistance of the divine, flowing your soul's love, which is connected to the divine and turbocharged by the divine. Your soul's love is now pouring through the front of your heart chakra and radiating out in front of you. And it begins to fill up this bubble. As it fills up the bubble, everything in that bubble and everything related to the situation begins to receive the transformational energy of divine love. As the love bubble fills up, as you put this divine love onto this situation in your life, you can also imagine the positive outcome that you would like to see from that situation playing out like a movie in front of you. Maybe you see smiles and hugs. Maybe you see contracts being signed. Imagine what would happen if the situation flowed as gracefully as it could possibly flow. Continue sending your soul's divine love into the love bubble until it feels full and abundant. Allow the love itself to make most of the decisions about what's going to happen in that situation. Once you bring divine love to the situation, you no longer need to push the river or make anything happen, because the highest outcome is automatically already happening. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, find yourself comfortably relaxed in your body. You're also invited to spend more time with this situation or any others, and use this meditation and this spiritual tool as many times as your intuition says it feels right. This has been your host, Octavia Brooks. Please subscribe so that you can find this meditation again and share your stories about how the transformative power of love brought a positive evolution to a situation in your life. It's been my pleasure to share this tool with you. Have an awesome day.